Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation, welcome to Learn Zulu Everyday number 20. Today we've got sort of a little business conversation. Someone coming back from a business trip to Cape Town, someone living in Joburg. So just a little blurb there, right up. So Ralph, igama lakhe. Ubuye, he came back namhlanje ekuseni. Ubuye Cape Town. Okay, he came back from Cape Town. Let's just edit that quickly. Ubuye Cape Town. So namhlanje ekuseni, in the morning. Uye, he went to Cape Town. Uye Cape Town ngoba usebenzela, he works for ibhanki. Kodwa akalithandi iCape Town neze. He doesn't like Cape Town at all. Okay. Ake sibone ukuthi indaba ukuthi uRalph engalithandi iCape Town. So, I'm speaking to Ralph. B for Brian, R for Ralph. So Ralph, uyephi ngesonto eledlule? Ralph says, ngiye eCape Town. Ngesonto, isonto, a week, eledlule, last week. Manje bafundi, students. uRalph, uye, did Ralph go? uRalph, uye, Durban? Cha. uRalph, uye, Cape Town. uRalph, uye, New York? Cha. uRalph, uye, Cape Town. uRalph, uye, Paris? Cha. uRalph, akayanga, he didn't go. uRalph akayanga Paris. Uye Cape Town. So I can ask Ralph here, how? Cape Town. Ubuya wenzani? What were you going to do? Ubuya wenzani Cape Town? Ralph says, bengiyosebenza. I was going to work. So now bafundi, I'll ask you, uRalph, ube yowenzani. What was Ralph going to do? uRalph, ube yodlala igolf? Cha. uRalph, ube yosebenza. Ralph was going to work. uRalph, ube yo bhukuda olwandle? Cha. uRalph, ubenga yobhukuda olwandle. He was going, ube yosebenza. He was going to work Cape Town. So I speak to Ralph now. Okay. Ubuya sebenza, Ralph. You're going to work, Ralph. Ubuya sebenza. Okay. Kumnandi. Is it nice? Kumnandi Cape Town. Ralph says, cha. Akumnandi. Hayibo. Akumnandi. That's Malan. How? Akumnandi. It's not nice. Hayibo. Yindaba. What's the story? Why? Why do you say it's not nice in Cape Town? Ralph says, Cape Town. Liyana, yabanda, unomoya futhi. Liyana, it rains. Yabanda, it's cold. Unomoya, and it's windy. Cape Town. Ebusika, in winter, Cape Town. Akumnandi. Impela. So I'm asking Ralph, Liyana eGoli manje. Is it raining in Joburg now? Cha. Alini. Giyabanda. Is it cold? eGoli noma giyashisa. Is it cold or hot? eGoli. Ralph says, giyashisa eGoli. Akubandi. I ask, kunomoya? Is there wind? Is it windy? Kunomoya eGoli. Is it windy in Joburg? Ralph says, cha. Akunomoya. I ask, kunomoya? Is it windy? Kunomoya Cape Town? uRalph, yebo. Kakhulu. Kunomoya kakhulu Cape Town. Manje bafundi, ngizonibuza. Okay, manje eGoli noma Cape Town. Kunomoya it's windy. Kunomoya eGoli noma kunomoya eCape Town. Kunomoya eCape Town. Kuyabanda eGoli noma kuyabanda manje. Manje ngabo October. Kuyabanda eGoli noma kuyabanda, is it cold eCape Town? Cha, kuyabanda. Kuyabanda eCape Town. Ubanda cha. It is ice cold. Ubanda cha eCape Town. Liana, is it raining? Liana eGoli noma or Liana eCape Town. Cha bo Liana eCape Town. Liana kuyabanda kunomoya. Kuthiwa it said kuthiwa eCape Town alini phansi. Lina kanje. Rain sideways. High phansi. It doesn't rain down in Cape Town, it rains sideways. No bad blood, Cape Town. I love Cape Town. Ngithanda Cape Town kakhulu. Kunezintaba, mountains, kunolwandle, lihle kakhulu. But we'll speak more about that kusasa. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Cela ni like, ni subscribe, nibheke i-Facebook page yami. Ngibonga kakhulu. Salani kahle.